What's going on YouTube? It's B Sneak and today I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be looking over the new Supreme season lookbook. We're going to be looking through all the items that are releasing. I'm going to give you guys my opinions, and then I will be telling you guys the best way to guarantee all the items that you want from all the Supreme drops this season and this year. Alright guys, so we're on the Supreme website and I'm going to quickly run through all my favorite items from the upcoming season that they're going to drop, and we just have all the clothing right here and a couple of my favorite things. Number one, this vest. I do really like how vests have become popular lately, and this color does seem pretty cool. It's made out of nylon too, so I would probably go for that when it comes out. Probably this pullover hoodie. It's like some special material. I really like that, and I love the colors of it. And then they have a bunch of pants. I really do like the color of this hoodie. It reminds me of the older box logo hoodie that I used to have, the teal one, the red box logo. I just really like the colors. These seem like basketball shorts. Whoa, these are really sick. Rhinestone basketball shorts. Oh, there's rhinestones on them. I don't know if I would like the rhinestones that are on there, but I like the colors of the shorts. Let's go over the accessories. So right here they have the chair, director's chair. I want to be a director when I'm older. That's my goal. That's why I haven't been on YouTube at all recently, because I've been prepping for college and getting ready to apply to film schools that I want to go to. So I'm gonna go for this for sure. If I don't get it, I'm gonna get both of them probably either way. They have Supreme Band-Aids. I think that's very necessary. That's funny that they're making stuff like this now. I feel like they're totally running out of ideas, but we'll see with the Band-Aids. Probably not gonna get them. The whole drum set, that's gonna be really, really expensive. That's pretty cool. My dad used to drum a lot when he was a kid, so he would really like this, but this is obviously gonna go for like 5 grand. A lot of these accessories, like the most expensive ones, always sell out super quick because they have a lot of resale value, right? And so the problem with that is whether you want to keep it or you want to get it and resell it for more, they always sell out like basically instantly, and they're basically impossible to get, which is why I'm going to explain to you guys my solution. So whether you guys want to get any of this stuff for yourself or you want to resell it, you can make tons of money off of most of this stuff just by buying it and then selling it to anybody on Instagram or wherever you want to sell it. And there's so many people that actually do reselling as like their main income, which is why if you guys aren't really into Supreme or you don't really like Supreme, there's a huge way you guys can make tons of money on a lot of this stuff. But the only problem is you guys have to be able to secure this stuff when it drops for retail, because you can buy it after for resale, but then there's no room to make any profit. Like the profit margin is too small, so you guys can't make any profit on these items, which is why you need a way to get this stuff for retail. You need a way to get these Band-Aids. Whoa, Supreme headbands. Those are cool. But you need a way to be able to get the Supreme Band-Aids for retail so you can sell them for 20 bucks over whatever resale is going to go for. And then you can take that profit and then use that to buy more stuff and resell. So let me tell you guys how you can guarantee pretty much any item the whole year for retail. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you Coppa, which is the best Supreme bot in my opinion on the market that you guys can buy. It's only a one-time fee, so once you buy the bot you have it forever, and you don't have to keep paying annually or for as long as you have it. You just get to keep it and you have it forever. And so we're on the bot right here. It is an extension on Google Chrome, I believe, and you basically with this bot get to cop Supreme every week for retail, but this bot does have a very, very high success rate. I've personally got multiple things for retail, such as a North Face jacket, which I had a while ago, off Supreme in the morning for retail, only because of this bot, because I had it set to the size that I wanted, and it pretty much checked out for me, which is crazy, and it does it super fast, faster than any human can possibly type. So I'm basically telling you guys, if you want to get the bot, I recommend it. It'll be in the description down below. You guys can use my code to purchase it, and whether you want to keep the Supreme stuff or not, you can make a lot of money off of all the items that you guys buy and then resell if you want to resell it. And the bot may seem expensive at first, but it's really not, because you're going to be making a bunch of profit off of all the things that you're going to be getting for retail with the bot. So I do really recommend it to anybody that's trying to be a reseller or just get a bunch of dope Supreme for retail. Something new to the bot is that they have a 24/7 Discord server, which answers any questions that you have maybe the night before about how to use the bot, or if you're just wondering on something, you can just ask a question and they'll get back to you super quick. So there are usually no problems with the bot. It's really, really easy to use. I've been able to use it, and Coppa has luckily made it simple enough on our end to be able to work it. A lot of work goes into making a bot like this, but it's so easy to use on our end, which is why I really think it's the best bot. And so since last year, they have done a lot of updates and improvements just to the bot to make sure it works better and it's faster and it can pretty much beat Supreme. It can check out on Supreme and get you guys the items that you want. And also, before I forget to mention, the bot does come with a 20-page free reselling guide. If you guys aren't really into reselling and you want to learn, that will be very helpful. And just to quickly throw it in, here's a live example of the bot working and checking something out on Supreme. I've been using Coppa for over a year now, and I've got tons of drops such as CDGs, North Faces, and a bunch of other tees and stuff that sells out, and it hasn't ever really let me down. And one thing that's releasing soon is the Swarovski box logos in the near future, and they're gonna be reselling for 10 times the amount of retail. I'm pretty sure, like, they're gonna go for crazy amounts, and being able to get one of those for retail would be insane. You guys would make so much profit off it, it would be crazy, and I'm gonna be trying to get a couple for sure. And the Swarovski box logos are right here. They're pretty sick, and they're gonna go for a lot. So if you guys have the bot, you should use it and get that. And to briefly explain to you guys what's been going on with my YouTube channel, I've been studying for the ACT college test non-stop. I'm trying to get the best possible score that I can. I've been writing a ton of college apps, and I found a little bit of time to make this quick video for you guys. And I will have more content coming in the future soon, but I just wanted to get this up because Supreme is about to start dropping stuff, and I thought it was important to share it with you guys so you guys can go cop the bot in the description down below if you want to make some money reselling Supreme, or you just want to get the sold out items for yourself for retail. And so like I said before, Coppa is a very good investment. You're pretty much going to make your money back after 1 week with profits, and it may seem like a lot up front, but it's not really if you think about it long term. And it's a one-time fee, so once you pay it, the bot is yours for good and you don't have to buy it again. So if you guys get the bot, you're gonna be copying Supreme for retail for the rest of the season and rest of the year. I really appreciate you guys for watching this video. Please make sure to drop a like down below if you haven't already, and please make sure to subscribe. We're so close to 600K, and I'm giving away a box logo when we hit 600K. I am gonna be making a lot of content in the next couple weeks after I take an ACT test and I just get a lot of my college stuff out of the way. I've been so busy. I'm a junior in high school and I have so much school stuff going on right now. So hopefully you guys are bearing with me and you guys are just staying along with me on this journey, because I'm gonna have a bunch of dope content for you guys soon. So if you guys want the bot, you guys know where to get it in the description. And it's me closing out. It's your boy B Sneak. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and we're out of here. Peace.